Hello friends, today we discuss about Wix.com. Wix is a online creating website. Here you can discover the platform that gives you the freedom to create, design, manage and develop your web presence exactly the way you want. Wix is a website that creates your website about any type of your work like online businesses, online study, online blog, anything. Get started here. The freedom to create the websites you want, design and build your own high quality websites. Whether you are promoting your businesses, here you can promote your business, showcasing your work, opening your store, or starting a blog. You can do it all with the Wix website builder. Get started here. Here are some products. Build your unique online presence to create your own website. Follow these steps. Customize your site, pick a template and customize anything or answer a few questions and get a free website designs just for you. Here you can customize your site, pick up a template and customize your website. Anything, any question or answer, and you can create a free website here. Add advanced features. Start your own blog, add an online store and accept bookings online. You can always add more features as you grow. Here you can add advanced features in your website, like nowadays everything is advanced, so websites will be advanced. Edit your mobile view. Check out the mobile optimized version of your site. Switch to the mobile editor to personalize it even more. Optimize for search engines. Answer a few questions about your website location and keywords, and get a personalized SEO plan to get found online. Here we can start now and we check it how it works. Here sign up, already have an account, log in with Facebook, log in with Google, and here email. Some steps you can create your website. Professionally designed websites templates. Choose from 1500 plus customizable website templates that are built to meet your business needs. See all website templates: textile designer, fabric designer, pattern, anything. Here you can create your websites. Wix editor, total designed freedom. Start from scratch or choose from over 500 designer made templates that you can fully customize using the drag and drop website builder. Make your site come to life with video, background, scroll effects and animation. With the Wix editor, you can create your own professional website exactly the way you want it. Get started here. Wix ADI, artificial design intelligence. Wix ADI, get online fast. Answer a few simple questions and Wix artificial design intelligence will instantly build a personalized website just for you, complete with custom text and images. Choose your style, change the layout and add any feature you need. Your businesses like an online store or booking system. When you are ready, go live in a click. Get started here. Classic. This theme has a timeless look and feel. Willow by Wix Open Dev platform. Build professional web applications with serverless computing and hassle-free coding. Manage all your content from integrated database. Here you can create your website without any coding, database, integrated, anything else. IDE or work in your own environment and connect to hundreds of APIs. Plus, you get total design freedom from the Wix editor and optimized business application. No copyright, anything. Get professionals features for your websites. Make your own website and get built-in tools to grow your businesses online. Online store. Start selling online and grow your business with a powerful e-commerce platform. Create an online store, learn how. Here professional blog, logo maker, SEO tools, custom domains. Manage, promote and grow your businesses online with Wix and build your future. Create a website with the Wix website builder and use the built-in professional businesses suite to promote and manage your businesses all in one place. Generate leads and drive conversation with email marketing, Facebook ads, landing pages, and customer management tools. Then track your success and make data-driven decisions on how to improve with Wix Analytics. Get started here. How to create a Freedom website. Follow 6 simple steps to create a website.